Your 2 for 10. Cheer on your favorite drivers. I think you want to be straight. First in the ring, we've got the 6972 Belt Reed from Severn, sponsored by Reed Scrapjack. On the far end, we got the 777 Blake Simpson from Aurelia, sponsored by Aurelia Hyundai and Coldwater. 87, Corey Hannigan from Coldwater, sponsored by One Sort and Taylor's Demo Team. I don't know, that was 24, Ryan Stewart from Duckford, sponsored by Green Lumber, D&S Custom. Number 79, Devin DeRock from Kylie. We got the number 95, Corey Sheard from Ottawa, sponsored by Plan B and FDR. We got the number 81, Rodney Browser. My tongue is so tired. From Aurelia, sponsored by Baseline Towing and Harley G in Ottawa. Number 17, Nathan Matheson from Penetang, sponsored by Lucky Devil Tattoo Shop. We got the 410.
For information, rules, regulations, and more, visit Edge Motorsports on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Centea LeMay from Aurelia, sponsored by the Cookie Monster. Ladies and gentlemen in front of the grandstands, please have a seat. Checkered flag, $7 each, 2 for 10. Cheer on your favorite drivers. We got the blocks in place. We're going to get the gates closed. Flags up around the ring. Give me a count from 5. Let's get bumper to bumper to bumper. Here we go. Oh, right to the block to the 410 on the 81. Oh, big hit from the 79 and 777. You got action all over the track. Big duck. We got the number 79 under the count. Big hit from the 81 and the 777. Oh, big hit the 24. Oh, come on, really? Swing and a miss. Oh, okay, well, you want to get a little bit of a We got the 410 and the 79 under the count. 17 and 87 on the far side under the count. 79 is the black flag. Black flag falling on the 17. 7 cars still running. 81 is under the count. 410 is under the count. We've got the 410, the 87, and the 81 all under the count. Count still up. Oh, count being taken off the 81. 410 has been counted out. Oh, sandwich with the 777 in the middle. We've got the 87 under the count. And the 24 under the count. Black flag falling on the 24. That's 5. Let's hear for these drivers! Moving on, we have the 95, the 69-72, the 81, the 87, and 777. Now we're going to meet these stock drivers as we go into the feature a little bit of time to do some repairs. Holy, look at that close shot. That's awesome.